Adjust the oven rack and preheat the oven. The kids just love this. Cream the butter, add the egg, take out the choc chips, add 1 tablespoon of the dry mix to the butter mixture. Add the choc chips to the dry mix. Now empty the choc chips and the dry mix into the butter mixture. Now just keep beating, it will come together. And then bring it together with your hand right near the end. Use a tablespoon so that all your balls are the same size. Stagger them apart on the baking paper. Flatten them a bit with your thumb or use a fork. Into the oven. Wow, isn't that lovely? Baked to perfection.